Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Botim number in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you need to launch your Botim application on your phone. Over here, you need to make sure that you are logged into your current account. Also, you need to confirm that your new phone number is also active and able to receive the SMS verification codes. Now, when you are inside, simply tap on this profile icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here inside the settings, you just have to simply look for the option of account settings. Now, when you are here inside account settings, the very first thing that you will see here is your phone number, with the help of which you have basically created your account here on Botim. So when you tap on this phone number option, you will be shown this change phone number option. So now it is going to show that you can change your phone number, and this feature isn't available yet and we are working on it, so you can check back soon. So in the future updates, when they have this particular change number option, you just have to come here and tap on the my number option, and then the next time you come here, you will be shown the option of adding the new number that you want to basically use, and you need to simply verify that number with an OTP, and this way you will be able to basically change the number. Currently this particular option is not available, but as they are saying, in the future updates this particular option will surely going to come, so you need to just simply wait for it. Thank you.